Hello everyone, welcome back to Balinese foodie. I would like to make easy bananas recipe. Let's we try these. These very crunchy. Let's for watching. Peel 4 bananas. And then cut the bananas. Cut the bananas like this. We set aside first. After that we provide spring roll skin. Ceres sufficiently. 1 teaspoon of wheat flour. And then pouring some water. We make the adhesive and stir evenly. We make like this. Alright, please follow my step like this. It's very easy to make. Put adhesive now. Yay, done, like this. We set aside. We do it until all done. I hope you are all can do at home. It's so easy bananas recipes. Then we set aside all. Okay, we fry directly. We turn back other side so that really well done. We fry until 10 minutes. This is ripe, and then we lift and drain. Alright, we ready to served with our family. These so crunchy and sweet. To all Balinese foodies friend, thank you for watching this my video until finished, and don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. See you in my next video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.